Today I am here to talk to my fellow female viewers. क्या आपके पास आपकी खुद की हेल्थ इंश्योरेंस पॉलिसी है या यू आर स्टिल इंक्लूडेड इन योर फैमिली हेल्थ प्लान? वेल, अगर है तो कॉन्ग्रेचुलेशंस। आपके इसी स्टेप के लिए आज इंडिया में वुमेन्स हेल्थ इंश्योरेंस ट्रेंड्स 2023-2024 shows an increase of 43% in the number of women opting for standalone coverage for themselves. और अगर नहीं है तो आपको ये वीडियो एंड तक देखना है। पर सबसे पहले हाय, मैं हूँ अंचिता, योर डेली इंश्योरेंस गुरु, एंड वेलकम बैक टू पॉलिसी एक्स। पहले के ज़माने में हेल्थ इंश्योरेंस पॉलिसीज़ फॉर वुमेन बहुत कम थे, लेकिन अब वुमेन स्पेसिफिक डिजीज़ेस जैसे थायराइड, पीसीओडी, पीसीओएस, डायबिटीज़, ब्रेस्ट या सर्वाइकल कैंसर के केसेस ज़्यादा हो गए हैं। इसीलिए latest women-centric health plans give coverage for these kind of diseases. Yes, you heard it right. As women, we juggle a lot between work, family, and personal health. It's easy to let our own well-being fall aside, but modern problems require modern solutions. We, as women, need a separate health insurance plan to cover our health issues and to get the best quality treatment possible. इस वीडियो में मैं 5 ऐसे प्लान्स के बारे में डिस्कस करूंगी जो वुमेन रिलेटेड ऑलमोस्ट सारे हेल्थ प्रॉब्लम्स कवर करते हैं। लेट अस स्टार्ट विद द बेस्ट ऑफ ऑल, स्टार वुमेन केयर, launched in 2024. This plan is a complete caretaker for females. It covers maternity expenses, fertility treatment, pregnancy care, in utero fetal surgery, and even preventive checkups. The coverage options range from rupees 5 lakh to 1 crore, so that you can choose the plan according to your budget. Or this plan also covers your newborn child. Next is Care Joy, a comprehensive plan for women with maternity cover from the House of Care Health Insurance. This plan comes in 2 variants. Joy Today with only 9 months of waiting period, and Joy Tomorrow with 24 months of waiting period. Care Health Insurance Company believes in the philosophy of customer centricity, thus curating this plan to provide maximum coverage to new mothers and their babies. Third is the HDFC Ergo My Health Women Suraksha, another comprehensive cover for modern day women's special needs. You will get multiple sum insured options starting from rupees 1 lakh to 1 crore. This policy allows you to add all the women of your family under a single plan. HDFC Ergo My Health Women Suraksha comes in 6 variants: Women Cancer Plan, Women Cancer Plus, Women Cardiac Plan, Women Critical Illness Essential Plan, Women Critical Illness Comprehensive Plan, Women Assault and Burns. Moreover, this plan also gives coverage for cancer treatment, major illnesses, surgical procedures, cardiac ailments and procedures, assault and burns, along with 41 critical illnesses. There are some additional benefits that this plan covers, such as pregnancy and newborn complications, loss of job, post-diagnosis support, and second medical opinion. Fourth is Future Generali Health Power, the latest addition to women's health insurance policies in India is the Future Generali Health Power with brand ambassador Twinkle Khanna. This plan is tailored for women and provides holistic wellness coverage to cater to their every healthcare need. It comes in 3 variants: Power Essential, Power Advance, and Power Supreme. Moreover, it is not just insurance, it can be your all-round health caretaker, as you will get a fitness and yoga membership, a health and wellness marketplace access, a women's fitness program, a spa and wellness center, access to a gynecologist, and many such other options. And there is another plan, the Niva Bupa Aspire. It is a comprehensive health plan for any individual, but specifically for women, this is also a great option as it has exclusive coverage for maternity and gynecological related problems for us. Health insurance for women is not a distant dream anymore. Many popular health insurance companies are launching newer policies designed for women's healthcare needs to minimize the gender gap in the insurance sector. So why wait any longer? Call our in-house insurance experts at policyx.com to get a detailed idea about women-specific health insurance plans today. Before saying goodbye, if you want to get more such informative videos from us, give this video a like and share it with all the special women in your life. Also subscribe to policyx.com on YouTube to get all notifications of our future uploads. Till then, stay healthy and stay insured with PolicyX.